Okay, guys, so I will easily show you how you can use ChatGPT and keyword everywhere to write a simple ebook that you can sell online. Okay, so first of all, as I mentioned before, when you're writing an ebook, you need to be able to solve some sort of problem. Okay, so we will ask ChatGPT to give us 5 problems in a self-care niche for stay-at-home moms. These are the problems that ChatGPT is giving us right here, and these are some pretty good problems, guys. Look at this: limited time, isolation, financial constraints. Right. Okay. So what we will do is select one of these problems to write an ebook on, so we can help that stay-at-home mom to just help her to try to solve her problem. So right, let us look at all of these are very juicy. So I hope you guys are taking notes, because you can create an ebook on your own, with something like this. So let us look at financial constraints, which seem to be a very common problem among most women. Then we'll copy this. So keyword everywhere, it is a Chrome browser. Okay, guys, so this is keyword everywhere. Keyword everywhere is a very useful tool. I love this tool. So basically, it will allow you to do a lot of keyword search, and it gives you a ton of information, guys. So for example, let us look at the pricing first. So the pricing here, we have, you see, $1.25 a month is very reasonable. You have over 100,000 credits. So the pricing is pretty good, right? So I will not even go into that as much, but just to give you an idea, this is a type of pricing you get for the credits. And even though they are saying credits, this credit will take you a long time to complete. I've had mine for almost a year, and I still have 78,000 credits. A lot of credits, right? So don't even think about that. So if you want this, feel free to sign up. I will put the link below. Let us get back to ChatGPT. So now we're back to ChatGPT. So with the Chrome extension installed, of course, you will have to go at the top and turn it on. So when you click on this, right, you will see an on and off switch. So that is to reserve your credits, guys. So when you are making ordinary search on YouTube, you wouldn't consume your credits. So this is the amount of credits I have left, and I've been using this for the entire year. So now when you turn on your keyword search everywhere, you will be able to do your searches. Refresh your page first, right? And then you will see a template at the bottom. So you click on templates, right? And here is where you will start, creating your book, right? So we have several options here, and the option that we will be looking for is copywriting. And under the subcategory, we have blog writing, book writing, content, course writing, and the list goes on. But we want book writing. So over here on the templates, we have the plot generator, book title generator, the book outline generator, and the book chapter generator. And okay, so let us do plot generator first. So from here, we click on templates, and we go into copywriting, and we select book writing. Yes, you can see I'm always using this. Let us look at the language. We'll leave it as English, because English is what we speak. And the persona, a top selling author in the self-care niche, right? And book details. The book teaches the reader on how to get better at marketing. So our book detail will be financial constraints, right? So this is a detail of our book, right? So we'll put that in. And from here, we click on execute templates. Let us see what we get. So this is what we are getting. This is what we got with the keyword everywhere prompt, right? So this is very informative. So we have the book title, which is Thrive on a Dime, Self-Care for Stay-at-Home Moms. And then we have the plot summary. This is so cool. So we're going to copy this now, and we're going to go back to templates. And on the template, we will select, okay, so before we copy this, we're going to have to put in this again, the persona. So I'm going to copy the persona again. and we will click on title generator. But do we need a title generator? I don't think so. Do we need a book outline? Maybe. Do we need a, yes, we need a book outline. Right. So we need the book outline. So let us work with this. We're going to insert the persona here, and we're going to insert the plot summary. So the plot summary is what was generated for us by ChatGPT. So let us just click on copy this, and we will paste it in here, right? Remove the book title. Right, so this is a plot summary. Remove the words plot summary and execute. Right, so this is our plot summary. All right, this is so good. Look how easy it is. Okay, so from here, we will start writing our book, basically. Right, so we have the book outline. So we have chapter 1. So we'll copy chapter 1 and go over to templates again and click on book chapter. So now we will be writing our book chapter. So we're gonna have a top-selling author on self-care, right? We're gonna paste in our chapter 1 here, and we're gonna go back to our plot summary. Remember that was created earlier. So this is a plot summary. I know this is in the way. Okay. So this is a plot summary up here. I'm going to copy this, bring this back up here and paste it. And we will click on execute. So remember, all the information that we are inputting in the plot summary and chapter summary will go into the prompt template that was created by Keyword Everywhere. So now we will execute templates. So let us move me on the side and scroll down. Right. Okay, so guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Okay, so ChatGPT has created a fictional character, right? Which is not bad, right? So this is our first chapter, right? Where the struggle begins. This is awesome. This is some really good, awesome stuff, right? And so let us see how we can work with chapter number 2. Okay, so let us work with chapter number 2. Copy this, and we're going to go back to templates again. So now it's easier. It is much, much easier. All you have to do is paste in the chapter, because the plot summary will remain as is and the persona will remain the same thing. And we click on execute template. So let us see what ChatGPT is giving us. This is so lovely. Look at this. Look at this. Right? This information is good. So longing for self-care, Sarah woke up to the soft melodic chirping of the birds outside her windows. Right. So guys, what we have to do from here is to ensure that we actually want to use all of this, right? So you can easily click copy on the side over here and paste this in a Word document. Okay guys, so a tip that you would like, that you should probably utilize is the plagiarism checker in SEMrush right here. You can use this for free to check your wording, but to check your ebook information, but you need to go to the ebook and ensure that you make enough changes so that it will be able to pass the plagiarism checker. Right, so after all this is done, you can easily purchase my ebook. You can easily go to Instant Write, right, and go to PLR ebooks to purchase an ebook. And here you can easily make some changes to the ebook that will, to the colors that you prefer, okay? And of course, You can remove this and, just make more changes and make it yours. Go into Canva, search for self-care, right? There's something simple that you can put, or something more like this. If you have the Pro, you can definitely use this, right? And or you can go into AI and create a lovely woman providing self-care to herself. Okay, so this is it, and you just go and you make changes. You insert your the table of contents, the outline that we got. You can put this in right here, or you can just put the heading. You don't have to put the full detail. You can remove this and expand on this one here. And remove this completely, expand on this, make it even, and you can, start putting in your information here, right? And, piece by piece, and you can put a little bit about yourself. This is so easy to customize.